Hi, good afternoon, almost good afternoon here in Melbourne, I think. Just felt inspired to share something that I'm doing right now. Today is the last day of winter for us. We are in Melbourne lockdown. We've been kind of cooped up inside the house most of the time, and it's a nice day today, so we ventured out to see what's happening in the garden and if we can do. Um, I just came out to see what's happening in the garden to start off, and then tomorrow is the first day of spring. So spring is when we put some seeds in our veggie garden, and normally that used to be my norm. I have quite a few of seeds which I haven't really planted much last year with lockdown and all. So I might put them and get back into that. So let me show you what's happening in my garden. So my silver beet here, it's nice and big. We're going to cook this. So the two jasmines are flowering. Welcome to spring. The orange tree is full of oranges, and I didn't realize that it's ready to pluck because some of the oranges have started to burst open. So that means it's really ripe and ready to eat and sweet and just the best time to pluck it. So I've just plucked some which we are going to juice today, and we left the others in the tree, so we come back to it, keep it full of life force energy till the minute we are ready to eat it. So although they are all ready, I'm just going to leave them in the tree. It's so beautiful to see the tree full of oranges.
Can I pluck this one too?
Yeah. And my daughter Ovi is here with me helping, and we just warmed ourselves up a little bit in the trampoline over there, talking about having some fun yesterday. So this is my first compost. We basically compost everything that is compostable in our house. So I have a compost bin in the kitchen, and kids keep coming and topping it up here. So I pulled out the plastic box out of it, and this has been disintegrating on its own, and all the goodness from this goes to the orange tree. I don't feed the orange tree, I don't water, nothing, maybe a couple of days watering in a year, and all these fruits are from the composting happening next to it. This is my worm farm. Again, I didn't buy the worms, I just put some of my compost material and then started topping it up. And then I have lots of rich soil, and this is my wormy what do you call that wormy liquid, which is really good. You can dilute it in water and give it to the plants. It's my little bit of parsley veggie patch. The scale is something we have quite regularly, but it had these white thingy on it. So I really didn't eat it, but I just let it be. So I've got quite a few kale. I'm hoping that I don't spray anything. It just kind of heals itself. That's what I do with all the plants. We don't spray any fertilizer or insecticide. We just feed it to make it strong so it fights back. That's what I've done with my kale. I've been successful doing that once before. So I'm going to see how we go this time. This is my new bunch of compost bin, which is where we are topping. I throw my, because this is recycled paper, I throw my egg boxes in this as well. So this keeps getting topped up till it's full. Then so I was pleasantly surprised to see my curry leaves, which is like a very precious plant, but it always suffers during winter. This is the state right now. This is the little one I have here. So I'm taking one layer of my wormy compost and topping it up. So I've already topped it up. I've got some more to add to this veggie patch here. So we've got some thyme and sage and parsley, lots of parsley. I didn't realize, so I think we're going to make some nice recipes with parsley, parsley pesto, basically added in everything. Spring onions. So I'm going to top this veggie patch with some of my all the good soil from my vermicompost and clear this veggie patch up. So we have some beautiful lemongrass, which is also kind of brown now, but it's all going to look nice and green in a couple of weeks with all the extra sunlight we're going to get, hopefully. So I'm pretty pleased that it's not gone too bad with all the neglect. So excited to get back into the garden. All right, bye.